So you're thinking about spraying your home to get rid of ants? Well, spraying for ants can actually make the problem a lot worse. Watch this video before you do anything. Hey guys, it's Trapper Tony here, and you're seeing ants in or around your home. The most common reaction for a homeowner is to spray. Today I'm gonna go over how to spray, what the sprays actually do, the difference between residential products versus commercial, and where to and how to apply them. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to teach you about one ant you never want to treat with sprays. First, let's discuss how sprays actually work for ant control. For starters, they work in two separate ways. We have contact kill. This means you're applying the product directly to an ant, killing it as you see them migrate or move around a certain area. The second is a temporary residual application. Now this could be short-term or long-term depending on your product, whether it's residential or commercial grade. As the product dries, it will stay active, and as the ants move or migrate through this path, they'll come into contact with the chemical and die off as well. But here's the catch with sprays. It doesn't actually reach the colony. If you're simply relying on sprays, you might be managing the area, temporarily getting results, but you're not actually eliminating the problem at hand. If you're looking for total elimination and control of ants in and around your property, you may want to consider the combination of spray and bait. Now, spray will create a nice barrier treatment protecting your home or property, but the bait actually gets taken back to the colony where the queen is for total eradication and elimination of any ant colonies in or around your property. And I just want to stress this, that the ultimate goal is the elimination of the colony itself. Now let's talk about domestic products for ant control in regards to spray versus commercial professional application. For starters, store-bought chemicals like this, they're very safe, very easy to use, keeping in mind you may have small children or pets at home, which ultimately means the product is weaker and has a short-term residual or temporary effect after it's dried. This small can will definitely not get total coverage in and around your home when you're looking for those pure perimeter, interior and exterior coverage. Switching to commercial grade applications, products are a lot stronger, they're more concentrated, they have a longer lasting residual, and when using a spray applicator, this spray tank, we're able to get in and around all the perimeters, all the cracks and crevices where the ants may be moving or foraging to and from. This is why professionals don't just spray randomly, it's very strategic. Now, when it comes to application, where you spray actually matters more than what you're spraying. Some key areas to hone in on and focus on would be the exterior perimeter foundation all around your home. Any entry points, cracks and crevices, this could be through windows and door frames, entry points around the home, any pipes or openings, cracks, anywhere around the foundation on the exterior. If you're spraying on the interior, you want to focus on the baseboard areas or anywhere behind appliances where ants may be foraging to and from looking for food sources. The goal is to ultimately stop ants from coming into the home rather than just chasing them around the interior of the house. Now, you as a homeowner, here are some key things to look for before applying any products. First, you may see the actual ant activity. They may be moving or migrating in one specific area, coming and going. This might be a key indicator to either a nesting location or an entry point from the exterior. You want to focus on areas with high moisture. So this could be areas like the kitchen and bathroom. Certainly want to take a look around appliances as they move and migrate. They may be looking for food sources as well. Now take a look around the exterior of your home. Look for any small gaps, cracks, or entry points. This could be around windows, door frames, sills, even utility lines coming in and out of the home. In the peak of the season, you'll easily see the migration of the ants traveling in one at a time. If you're just treating randomly, applying products here and there with no intel or information, you may just be wasting product and slowing down the process for a complete elimination. Now here's the big one. The ant species that you should never treat with sprays, the Pharaoh ant. Now this ant is very different from all other species of ants. They react completely different to sprays as they're very sensitive. As you spray a product in or around active Pharaoh Ant activity, it may cause them to die. However, they will move and migrate, and it's a process called budding. The colony will actually divide. You're actually making the problem worse in and around your home. You're spreading the ant infestation and having multiple colonies on the property itself. If you're dealing with these tiny, light-colored ants, you may want to strongly think about baiting versus spray application to resolve the issue. Ultimately, you want to spray smart, otherwise you'll just be chasing these ants around all season. If you're dealing with carpenter ants specifically, check out my carpenter ant video where I show you active carpenter ant activity, how I professionally treat them with the use of spray and ant bait applications. As always, if you're experiencing issues with ants, you're unfamiliar with the species, how to target them or treat them, leave a comment or question below and I'll try my best to help you out. We'll see you next time.